Oh, so you want to learn how to make money online with TikTok. Maybe you have a business or you're an influencer and you're wondering, how in the world can I make money on this crazy platform with dancing? Now, these opportunities are wide open to anyone, and we're going to dive into several different ways that you can make money using just TikTok. Let's cue that intro and get started. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I am at the Mrs. Pedersen on TikTok. Feel free and comment your TikTok handle below this video, and be sure to follow people who inspire you if you see their comments in the chat below. Now, I've had some success on TikTok. It's been a very fun platform, but of course, a lot of people are wondering, can you actually make money on TikTok? We have to dive on into that. At the time of recording this, I have about 220,000 followers on TikTok. I get 10 to 15, sometimes even 25 million views in a month, which is very, very powerful. But the thing that was the most influential for me about TikTok was, can I monetize it? And I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience with monetizing it as soon as I share how other people are monetizing TikTok, okay? So first and foremost, monetizing means making money off of. It's how you make money off of whatever. If I monetize Instagram, I'm making money off of it. If I monetize the garage sale, it means this isn't a free garage sale. I'm making money from people stopping by. So monetization is the act of making money off of. Now, a lot of people are making 6 to 7 figures from TikTok, and I assume that that is going to continue to grow over time. Because if we look at the history of TikTok, and this is a key part of your ability to make money on a platform, you have to look at patterns from other social media platforms. First and foremost, we started with MySpace. Anyone remember the MySpace days? Anyone love it? Comment below and let me know. I loved MySpace. It was my first social media platform. And one of the things that MySpace did not do well was they didn't figure out how to make money. So while some people were growing and thriving on MySpace, especially musicians, MySpace actually really struggled to make ends meet. And they did it through like ad space and different things like that, but they didn't realize that they could be running ads all the time directly to us, that could become a normal part of our lives. Then we look at Facebook, and so many people jump ship from MySpace to Facebook, and I know MySpace had this big like shut down, rebrand, once they realized that the best path to monetization was working with the bands that were already making money from MySpace. That's when they started to actually have a resurgence. So MySpace is actually like a thing again, which is kind of crazy. But Facebook did monetization very, very well. They started running ads almost continuously on their platform once they built that know, like, and trust with all of the people on their platform. And Facebook actually does billions of dollars per year in advertising. Now, a lot of people say, ugh, I hate the ads on a platform. But the truth of the matter is, if there are ads on a platform, it is a sign that there is an ability to monetize. It's also a sign that a brand or a platform is more likely to be stable. If they're successfully running ads and you continuously see some ads in your feed or on the platform, now you know this platform is going to be around to stay. The same progression happened with Instagram. Now, a lot of people by this point knew, like, if a platform is up and coming, we can jump on and make money behind the scenes before those ads even roll out. So while a lot of business owners look to just advertising on a platform, those who can recognize the early opportunity of a platform are going to do the best because they do it before they even have to pay for ads. Now, the same thing is true with TikTok, and TikTok does run ads, but I want to share with you guys several different ways that you can make money on TikTok, off of TikTok, behind the scenes with TikTok. Now, first and foremost, a lot of people don't know this, but there's actually a TikTok marketplace. So a lot of popular creators can get paid with brand deals behind the scenes, and that's one way that you can absolutely make money on TikTok. A great example of this is Charli D'Amelio. Of course, she's like the gold standard for an influencer monetizing her following, but she makes a reported $100,000 per post on TikTok. Now, most of us aren't necessarily going to see that kind of money, but I've been offered hundreds of dollars up to thousands of dollars for TikTok posts. So the same opportunity is available to you, to your friends. Now, if you're a business owner, you can use TikTok for massive lead generation. Get people onto your email list, nurture them through opportunities in sales, through relationship building. You can hire TikTok influencers to promote your product. You can bring your TikTok followers to YouTube, which has been a strong strategy that I've done, and I'm willing to bet you probably found me on TikTok. Am I right? Let me know in the comments below. So I remember when I started growing on TikTok, I think I was at like 60,000 followers or something crazy like that. And people were asking me over and over and over again, but how do you make money on TikTok? Like, how do you monetize it? And that was like what the real question was that kept coming up. And so it was actually one day when I was speaking at this really awesome mastermind called War Room with Ryan Dice and Roland Frazier, Perry Belcher. And I got on stage and I went ahead and did a 15-second mini webinar on TikTok, as crazy as that sounds. And I wanted to see if I could generate leads for a webinar using just organic TikTok traffic, even before my videos were getting big reach. And so I did, and we got like 200 plus leads for that webinar, which was so crazy. And just a few days later, as the nurturing sequence went out, I saw that first $497 sale come through, and I was like, it's game on. And now to this day, people continually say, I found your programs through TikTok. People have applied for like my mentorship, my coaching, consulting, all of the above, straight from TikTok. And it's crazy because TikTok traffic has replaced a lot of our Facebook ad spend. But there's one other way that you can also easily monetize and make money off of TikTok, and that is to actually live stream and create awesome games, create excellent energy. There was one live stream where I saw a girl who didn't have a massive following, but she made like $3,000 on one live stream. Now, is $3,000 going to be the norm for all of us every single day? No way. That's not the case. However, you could make $100 to $300 per day by consistently live streaming for hours, doing songs, connecting with your followers, doing shout outs, really building relationships. So that's another way that you can make money off of TikTok. And the opportunities are continuing to roll out. For example, the clickable link in bio, I have that available now. That can direct people straight to a store, that can direct people to a lead magnet or build your email list. The opportunities are just going to continue to grow, especially as ads become more and more available to most of us, which I'm so excited about. Now, I put together an awesome resource for you guys. You can check it out in the bio beneath this video, my TikTok starter pack that will help you with getting started or with starting some massive growth on TikTok. Now, if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I put out tons of social media and TikTok trainings every single week, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will catch you guys later. Bye everyone.